copy the music of their voices, the way their tone goes up when they're surprised, the laughter, the sarcasm.
English Flow Podcast. Speak English naturally.
Wow, this place feels like a warm hug.
It really does. But only if our friend shows up on time, which we all know is basically impossible.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Podcast, where real English conversations make learning feel effortless and actually fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel, and I have to say, I am genuinely pumped to be here with you today.
You guys, I woke up smiling because of you. Our inbox is exploding with messages saying how much you love these real conversation episodes.
Same. People keep telling us this is the fastest way they've ever improved their speaking.
Exactly, because you get to hear real people talking naturally, and then you can shadow them and steal their rhythm.
Shadowing. That's when you listen and repeat at the same time, like your voice is their shadow.
It's pure magic for fluency. Today, we're taking you to a cozy little cafe where two friends, Anna and Lucas, are chatting about their friend Mike.
Spoiler, it's not punctuality.
Let's listen to the full conversation first, then we'll break down every useful phrase and make it yours. Poor Mike. He really does have a special talent.
The man turns being late into an Olympic sport.
Okay, let's make this conversation work for you. We're going to pull out the exact phrases you can start using immediately.
Thank you.
First, Anna says, "Wow, this place is really nice." That little word, really, is English magic. It makes nice sound 10 times better. Try it. Your English is really good. This coffee is really strong. It instantly sounds more natural.
Then she drops the word cozy. C-O-Z-Y. This is one of my favorite English words ever.
Exactly.
It means warm, comfortable, and welcoming all at once, like a cafe on a rainy day, or your favorite hoodie.
Lucas says he comes here when I want to relax. Relax means to let go of stress and just enjoy the moment. He also says the cafe is
Quiet most of the time. Most of the time is a super useful phrase. It means usually, but not 100%.
That is so true. Let's hear your example.
I eat healthy most of the time, but sometimes I destroy a pizza. Emma, did you consider word pizza?
No.
I brief you.
Okay, why not?
We will call it pizza, P-I-T-Z-A, but we will write P-I-Z-Z-A, pizza, in writing.
T is silent and not in saying. I understood. Please go ahead.
Okay.
Frustration in 2 syllables. You can use it for anything. You forgot your keys again? You're eating ice cream for breakfast again? Then the conversation gets juicy. Anna says again when she hears Mike was late. That one word, again, is pure English.
And then Lucas drops the best line, it's his special talent. This is sarcasm at its finest. Normally, talent is positive, singing, dancing, sports. I prefer dancing to sports. You can steal this for so many things. My brother's special talent is losing his phone.
Lucas says, I don't believe him. To believe equals to think something is true. Quick test. If I told you I wake up at 5 a.m. every day to study English, would you believe me?
Then they joke that maybe Mike walks very, very slowly, like a turtle on vacation.
That's the real lesson today. Being kind matters more than being on time. But here's the heart of the conversation. Even though Mike is always late, Lucas still says he is a good friend and he is very kind.
Super important phrase for meetings, dates, flights, everything. So we will never see him again?
Probably not. Probably means 70 to 80% sure. Example, I will probably be late because of traffic.
Beautiful ending. That's a little sad, but also a little funny. A little softens everything and sounds so natural. I'm a little tired. It's a little expensive. You're a little crazy.
Speaking of stories, this reminds me of my university friend Clara. One exam day, she showed up 30 minutes late, eating a fresh sandwich. When the professor asked why, she said, "Sorry, the bread was just too good today."
That's legendary. My story is from last week. I had a doctor's appointment at 10 a.m. I arrived early and waited a full hour. When the doctor finally came, I almost said, "Doc, do you also have a special talent for being late?"
You should have. That was just my phone reminding me.
My phone just went off. My sister sent a picture of her cat wearing a tiny hat.
Is the hat cozy?
Extremely cozy.
All right, now that we've Anna and Lucas one more time. This second listen is where the real learning happens. You'll catch every phrase so much easier now. See? Second time feels completely different, right?
That's the power of real practice.
So today we learned how to describe places, roast our friends in a friendly way, and talk about punctuality like native speakers.
And most importantly, we remembered that a kind friend is worth the wait.
Before we go, here's my favorite bonus tip of the episode. When you shadow this conversation, don't try to be perfect. Copy the music of their voices, the way their tone goes up when they're surprised, the laughter, the sarcasm. That's what makes your English sound natural and alive.
Exactly. Try it right now in the comments. Type the word cozy if you're shadowing with us today.
And while you're there, tell us honestly, are you the friend who's always late or do you have a mic in your life? Drop your funniest late story below. We read every single comment.
If you enjoyed this episode, smash that like button, subscribe to English Flow Podcast, and turn on notifications so you never miss a real conversation. Share this with one friend who's learning English. They'll thank you later.
We'll see you in the next episode where things get even more interesting. Until then, keep practicing, keep laughing, too, and keep speaking with confidence. Bye, everyone!
Bye, everyone.